Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to the Smoky Mountain Homestead. Today's my birthday. What I wanted for my birthday were two things: sushi and to plant 41 trees on my 41st birthday. So that's what we're gonna do today. Stay tuned and let's get growing. Harley, do you know what I want for my birthday?
What?
I want to plant 41 trees on my 41st birthday. Are you excited?
I'll help you with 2 of those.
I want to plant 41 trees for my 41st birthday.
Really? Okay, that's pretty cool.
All right, Izzy, do you know what I want for my birthday? I want to plant 41 trees. Are you excited? Not really? Why not?
I don't want to plant anything.
Oh, hey, Maisie, for my birthday, do you know what I want to do? I want to plant 41 trees for my 41st birthday. What do you think?
That sounds good.
It sounds good?
Fun.
Yeah?
Can you do it now?
Yeah, let's go do it. All right, so this is for my birthday, also tree day. And tree day here in Tennessee, we got a ton of pecans and a bunch of white oak, along with some other trees that I've collected. And some of them, the kids already buried, and I'll show you those. They got a head start on me. So let's get planting. All right, so they just got done. I'm not gonna lie, this wasn't today, but I'm gonna count it with these 4 small fig trees, 2 Celestes, a lemon, and an LSU gold. And then down the hill, I got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's one back there. 5 cherry trees that were planted. So that's actually there's 6 cherry trees were planted in the orchard. So that puts us at 10 trees. Look at those roots. It looks good. Woo! All right, what do you got there, Harley? That is an American cranberry. It's actually closer related to a blueberry than an actual cranberry. Good little roots there. Plop it in. All right, what is yours, May May? It is a John's elderberry. The Johns and the Adams need to be planted near each other to cross-pollinate. So go ahead and pull it out. Ooh, that looks good. Good healthy roots on that sucker. All right, let's bury them in. All right, here's the first white oak. We're doing a really simple planting for this. Just making sure that the roots are all in there and it's buried. This is not how you would watch a YouTube video on how to plant a tree, but we're planting a ton of trees today. So that's how we're doing it. All right. Jackson. Be a little gentle with the tree. Step around it, pack it in. All right, it's a Summer Delight Apium. We pre-dug these holes the previous day. That's why they're very soaked a little dry. And we are going to water these. Make sure you pack it so there's no air pockets. All 4 sides. Okay, and then once the water's on, we'll clear up the air pockets. This is the Sweet Treat Plurry, part cherry, part lurry. Is that right?
No, plum cherry.
Oh, that makes sense. I was like, what's a lurry? Of course, I'm joking. Everyone knows that, right? All right, so we were able to plant a little more than 41 fruit trees, and we still have quite a few nut and fruit trees to plant this year. So thanks to my kids for helping me have a great birthday and getting a lot done, and I appreciate that. I'm looking forward to seeing these trees grow. About ready to start another video on grafting some mulberries, so I'll let you go, but please subscribe to the channel and we'll get back with you with more great content. Thanks, bye. Woo!
You know that's not new wasabi.
Sushi.
That's cool.